各位同學早晨，歡迎大家收睇香島電視台，我係你哋嘅節目主持人 Amy。考試就到啦，相信好多同學都好緊張自己嘅成績，特別係英文科，而英文作為國際語言，我哋學校都好重視同學嘅學習情況，經常舉行一啲關於英文嘅活動，等同學可以藉住參加呢一啲活動而多接觸英文。就好似早前中五、中六級就舉辦咗個英文辯論比賽。
I would like to define the motion. What is meant by an effective institution is that students can learn better and understand more during classes according to their needs and ability. And most importantly, to get a better academic results in their upcoming public examination.
學校都有舉行學術常識問答比賽，而家喺熒光幕見到嘅就係當日比賽嘅片段啦。而佢哋而家就係睇緊一段英文短片，佢哋睇完呢段短片之後，老師就會用英文發問問題，而佢哋就要根據短片嘅內容回答。而學校都有舉行其他各式各樣嘅英文活動㗎，例如 film show、book fair。同學如果睇到本好書，仲可以喺 book sharing 度同大家分享添。
Many years later, some of ours will sink down.
而喺上年10月份，學校亦舉行咗個英語遊學團，去咗澳洲嘅 Brisbane， 即係布里斯班。佢哋亦都參觀咗好多著名嘅景點，例如 Gold Coast 黃金海岸，仲有玩高爾夫球添。呢個澳洲遊學團嘅行程真係好豐富啊！當然唔少得仲有 English Drama 喺5月8號嘅演出啦。
It's the first day back at school, and if all goes according to plan, it will also be my last.
He's leaning back on the chair. He's not.
除此之外，平時上堂嘅時候都好多元化㗎，例如做 group discussion 同 presentation。而各位同學，期末試就到啦，大家記住要努力溫書啊！